Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in Microsoft SharePoint to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to create a SharePoint subsite in 2025. If you're managing teams, projects, or just want to organize your content more effectively, creating a subsite is a game changer. It allows you to build a mini site within your main SharePoint site, complete with its own permissions and customizations. First things first, before we jump in, ensure you have the right access. You'll need to be logged into your Microsoft 365 account with at least site owner or full control permissions on the parent site. This is crucial because 2025 versions of SharePoint have enhanced security features to keep things safe. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Log into your SharePoint site via the Microsoft 365 portal. Once you're in, navigate to the parent site where you want to create the subsite. Step 2. Head over to the Site Contents page. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting Site Contents. Here, look for the New button and click on it. In the drop-down, select Subsite. Step 3. Now, you'll see a form to fill out. Enter a name for your subsite. Make it descriptive so it's easy to find. Next, choose a URL. SharePoint will suggest one based on the name, but you can tweak it. Select a template that fits your needs, like a team site or a blank site for more customization. Step 4. Set up permissions. You can inherit from the parent site or create unique ones. This is where you decide who gets access, great for departmental isolation. Finally, hit Create and watch SharePoint work its magic. Once created, take a moment to explore your new subsite. Add pages, lists, or libraries as needed. A quick tip for 2025. Use the AI-powered features in SharePoint to auto-suggest content types. It saves time. There you have it, folks. You've just created a SharePoint subsite. This feature is super versatile for businesses and personal use. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.